The battle for the Eastern Conference continues. Game 1 of the conference finals. With Greg Anthony and Clark Kellogg. This is Kevin Harlan and Doris Burks on the sideline as well. We've got Miami facing the Cleveland Cavaliers. You look at the Cavaliers, they were able to prevent going to 7 in the last one. We'll see how they establish themselves tonight.
Wade, è tornato anche Wade proprio adesso. Questa è una bella notizia.
This is a team that really plays well. And if they do that, they can really set the tone for this series.
Well, we'll see if they can capitalize. I mean, that's what you work hard all regular season for, is to have the advantage of game 1 in your building. I'm with you there. I think you've got to give them the early nod as favorites.
So here's Miami's starting group. Wade and Dang are the 2 and 3. The big men are Bosch and Whiteside. And it's Freak.
Subito come si becca rimbalzo.
Early on, 3 misses to open the game. Their offense right now still trying to find its way.
Veneziano contro Irving. LeBron il prescelto, ragazzi.
Verja with a screen on Wade, stolen by Bosch.
Bravissimi. Si vede che c'è tensione, però. Si vede che c'è tensione.
Now Freak. The dish to Whiteside. Dang kicks to Freak.
Facciamo girare sta palla perché è importante.
Passes it to Whiteside. Heat moving the ball
bravissimi.
And
due
it's
errori
Freak
consecutivi, però Catraio Veneziano la sente.
Thus far, 0 of 4 here, still looking for their first make. Oh, that's a golden opportunity to finish on the break, and he
vuole il triplone, però.
Yes! Solo knock that one down. Took a little time, but they get one to go. Maybe they're warmed up now.
Primi punti
to the paint and stolen by
per Veneziano. E anche il primo assist, 5-0. Dai che tratta anche Wade.
Yeah, I think it's always better to go early in transition to attack when it's there, because oftentimes you can beat the defense down the floor.
You know, obviously, he knows how to finish with some flair.
24-5 di media nella stagione, 7-8 di assist. Non male.
Whiteside a screen on Irving. The kick out to Dang.
Non fa una gran cosa.
Here's Freak.
E LeBron è andato veramente a far farle con il culo. Ciao LeBron. Allora sei il pubblico che vuole far sbagliare ma non ce la fa.
First trip to the free throw line for him in this one.
Il Cume sembra comunque non aver paura,
Yes. Both free throws good from Freak.
Fantastic job.
The first quarter of action, 2 minutes in. And now we'll go to Doris Burke, who had a chance to talk with David Blatt.
He said that the team is in a good place mentally and should come out of the gate strong. Coach said, we know that this is the moment when heroes are made and all eyes are going to be on us. I told our guys that this is our time to shine. We'll see if they can
più spettacolo puro.
They're forcing the ball inside and it's working
Mamma mia, livello all-star che sarà aumentato la prossima stagione anche se non vinco. E sarà impossibile perché non ho mai giocato, non sono mai riuscito a vincere questo livello. Mai neanche arrivare al massimo alle semifinali.
Whiteside a screen on Irving.
Ma non con queste statistiche però. No, sti errori.
And stolen by James. Here's Irving. Rebound by the Heat.
Come grandissimo
they led by as many as 18 points. Whiteside, this is the Wade. Passes to Freak. The wide open look here for Bosch.
Yes!
And again, Miami with the triple.
Triplone anche di Bosch.
And that's another assist for a team that is putting on a clinic.
Stiamo riprendendo al largo.
And I love the mentality that they've had. If a shot isn't there, they're not forcing it. They're moving it side to side until they finally get the one they want.
Sono il dominatore della Lega, sono il dominatore della Lega, non c'è niente da fare.
Down low.
Cioè ragazzi, ma Cleveland dov'è?
A few more points onto their lead with the
Dove sono i
cavalieri? Symbolic there as well of the effort here tonight.
James with it. He's picked up by Dang.
Per Kevin Love, attenzione, Kevinone amore.
Travels out of bounds. It was last touched by Whiteside. Mozgov, he's checked in for Anderson Verja.
Stiamo asfaltando,
And so here's Cleveland, trailing by 13. Here's Mozgov.
Fallo di Whiteside. Un bel vantaggio, cazzo. Il primo e lo segna purtroppo. Vai col secondo.
He doesn't get the second one. The Heat leading by 12.
Vai Bosch.
And a wide open look for Freak. And it's off from 3-point range.
finora.
Cavaliers have got more than 58% of their attempts to go down for them in the fourth quarter. They're 7 of 12.
Really aggressive player taking it to the rack against the big fella.
You know, Greg, aggressiveness is really the only option when you're on the wrong side of the size equation.
Outside Irving from about 16. That one wide left.
Mamma mia, Bosch.
Miami's gone 2 of 3 in the fourth quarter from long range. Good shooting so far. And it's Wade in the corner. Bosch, the screen. Pass to Whiteside. Whiteside missing again.
And as far as jump shots go, that's what you have to continue to try and get.
I don't know how that one stayed out.
You know what? Tried to step in and cut him off, but just didn't get there quick enough.
Yeah, he was one step late that time, Greg. This is what they need to do in the second half to come out with the win. It's not the only thing, but when you convert free throws at the other end, you put a lot of pressure on the opponent to play solid defense against you.
Now here's Bosch. Right side of screen. Back to Bosch.
Bravo. Madonna, che
Mozgov with the block. But they'll get another
Grazie
chance.
per il passaggio.
That one's in. He's only missed 3 of 13.
Where's the box out? Some easy second chance opportunities there.
Those kinds of mistakes drive me crazy and will absolutely derail a team's chance to win.
Dai, fino che dobbiamo vincere. Sport 33 punti, 18 assist. Mamma mia. Signori, un cume devastante. Un cume sontuoso.
Doris Burke has an update for us. Doris?
Yes, Kevin, during that last break, I heard David Blatt as he addressed his team.
Intenzione di
They're
aumentare il
getting
livello
outshot
già
from the perimeter. He
nella
told
prossima
them, we've got to
partita per
close out faster
dimostrare
on
che
the
con il
outside
livello quasi
shooters.
massimo
These threes are
riusciamo a fare
killing
queste
us.
prestazioni.
Kevin, can they tighten their D?
No, ma perché lascia solo tu, devi pensare al livello. Pensa a vincere questa intanto. 50 punti di Irving. Tanto che l'ho marcato spesso anch'io, non è un bel risultato in difesa.
Now here's Freak, defense right on him. Whiteside, the pass to Deck.
Di aver ripagato un po' la squadra con una prestazione offensiva.
Wade gets the Freak. 5 on the clock, down low. And foul called as he misses. He'll go to the line and shoot 2.
Ti prego, mettili tutti e due però adesso, Tutti e due, punto e basta.
He doesn't hit the first, and that was the one they really want. He's got one more, though.
Vai.
And that trip coming up empty, missing both. The Cavaliers trail by 8.
Irving è abbastanza caldo,
Out to Smith. There's the 3.
Smith, non ti prego, no.
Tries again. And it's good. Through contact, it's the shot. He'll go to the
Non è
free throw
finita,
line.
Fioi, non è finita.
They need to try to find some more opportunities here in the second half. They've not been as active on the offensive glass. Check out the game from Moscow. 10 points and a couple of great-looking rejections. So far, 2 blocks.
Yeah, you know, he's had a great feel for their ball movement down low and for where to be when the shots come in.
Assolutamente come
Now here's Freak. 5 on the clock.
Prova a buttarsi, invece fa l'assist solito, yes!
And he jams it after taking the nice feed on the run.
Bravo,
Solid work on the back end of that play.
Yeah, finish hard with 2 hands on the stuff.
Yeah, nothing extravagant, guys, but again, no need on that one.
Va bene.
Shaking off that slow start, giving them a boost here.
Se ne è importato di aumentare il livello perché non posso fare
Miami's gone 7 of 15 from 3-point range tonight. They're not afraid of that shot.
I miei passi come indiani
Whiteside, a screen on Irving to the middle.
Ti prego, mettila.
True contact on the shot, so he will go to the line. A 3-point play chance here. And that one misses.
He's done a much better job of getting to the line here. Aggressively taking it inside and not shying away from contact. I thought he was settling a bit in the first.
Money. They're shaving a few points off the lead. And the later we get into this game, the more you're going to see him attacking the basket. And really, with every point from this point on, it seems like they're just closer to finishing this one off.
If they haven't already done it. I mean, hey, it's been a tremendous all-around performance from this group. I don't think there's any question about that.
29 seconds left in the fourth quarter. And so they foul intentionally.
mettere questi.
Good on the first, and that increases their lead to 6.
Più 6.
So he goes 2 for 2 at the line. And it's a 7-point game.
Yes, showing off a really smooth stroke there.
Più 7,
that will add to their lead.
Più 7 si gode. Mancano 29 secondi. 29 fottutissimi secondi. 37 punti, 7 rimbalzi, 20 assist, 100% dei liberi non tirati in una decina. 2 stoppati, 2 palle recuperate.
29 seconds left in the fourth.
Ho sbagliato io in gol.
And mark that one down right there. It's going to be a long time until we see him miss another one like that.
Perdere ste palle, porca
I think it's safe to say
ecco, il po' di trotata mi manca.
Yeah, that's fairly obvious. I'd say that's a really good assumption on your part.
Bravo,
I mean, look, no one guarding you. It's better to not pull up.
Si va a vincere, ragazzi. Si va a vincere gara 1 a Cleveland e si gode il Cume palla in mano. Signori, c'è solo un campione veneziano.
And so it's Miami winning this one. A pretty good feeling right now for them to be out in front like this in the series.
You know, Kevin, momentum so critical, and you know they'll want to ride this wave into game 2.
Veneziano.
And a chance now to send you over to Doris Burke standing